Aanbieden dat me dat ik daar zwaai. Zag het zo'n verdelen, die wonen zielen. Er zo klinkt waar die dan de baan. Die ben de baan van tafel. Voel los, zie dat mee. Een baan moet er onder de plek. De tijd pas het dan, dit zoet spoed. Dat doe ik pas, dan is wel op.
Alright, so we have all of the soda ash mixed into the hot water. Also, this hot water mixture will cool down, but it will still be good to use. Just stir it back up. And I put the lid on this bin. I put it somewhere where it won't spill. And then in the future, I can use it longer. I think I've left it for up to 2 weeks and then still use the leftover soda ash, which it still seemed to work great and fine. That's a quick brief on how to do the soda ash. I'm not gonna put this one in there yet, but I will take these tongs and push down all the clothing into the bin so they get fully saturated. And I'm gonna leave them for at least 20 minutes. I might leave them for a little longer as I prepare some of the colors for tie-dyeing our next batch of fun dyes. Thanks for joining me, and I'll meet you back inside.